Hello, good day. Angelo Santos here, one of the support in Groove Digital. So today I will show you how you can connect or how you can create a navigation and connect it to external links. For example, your Groove blog. So without further ado, let's just do it. So as you can see here, I will just hide this menu here. If you can see here, this is a nav menu, and you can see it on the breadcrumbs. And you can also see on the pencil, if I click this pencil on the style editor, this is a nav menu. So this is where you will set and create your external links. So in your nav menu, you go to the configure. So as you can see on the configure section, you will have the configuration on the page you want to exclude. So on my pages, I have here on I have hide this pages here, and this is also on the primary navigation. So if I go back here to my nav menu and configure, you can see that I have excluded the home, and I added four external links. So these links present here are all external links. So as you can see here on the services, um, I have put this external links, but I believe this is on a blocks. But what I want you to know is that these links are for if you have other pages or sites you want to add on the navigation. This is the place where you can add it. So I already have four external links, so I will make it five. So on the limit on the external links is only six at the moment. So if you have more than six, what that's not available yet. So I will make it to five, and when I go to five, you will see that there is now label for the five. So this will serve as the name of the navigation here. So I will just set it as blog and attach link 5 to. This will be a URL, and as you can see, this is on the HTTP format already. So you need to put a link that has HTTPS format for the link to work. So I will go here HTTPS forward slash um, blog dot angelemon lemon that. So this is the link to my blog. I have added the link to my blog, and this have the option to open a new tab or on just the same tab. So if you just uncheck it, it will go to the same page. But if you click on the open a new tab, it will open on a new tab. So I will just hit update, and you can see the builder is also updating, and you can see here that there is a now blog navigation. So I will just publish it to check. Um, I will just use my group pages subdomain. All right, let's see. Let's just wait for the green confirmation on this side. So you really need to have that confirmation. All right. So site publish, and let's just click this link here, and then you can see now that there is a blog. So when I click this blog, it will open a new tab and it will go to my blog page. And now this is my blog page. As you can see here, this is a sample blog that I created. I just set the color on, and yeah, that's how you can connect your Groove pages and your Groove blog by navigation. So I hope that helps, and have a great day, everyone.